Top 3 selling blade shapes at SMKW. Let's light it up. All right, today, folks, we're going to be going over the top 3 selling blade shapes here at SMKW. This is based on sales, and we're going to go over a few different knives. I've picked a modern and a traditional and or a fixed blade to represent each blade shape. So modern folder for each blade shape, as well as a traditional and or a fixed blade. And we're going to go over all 3 of the different blade shapes and feature a few knives that that have those blade shapes. First up is going to be a sheep's foot. Now, I will say that this is it is no secret that a sheep's foot is not my favorite. It is not the sexiest blade shape by far in my mind. However, there's a reason why it is on this list as one of the top selling blade shapes, and that's because it is a phenomenal work blade. It is phenomenal to use as far as doing a lot of heavy duty hard use, and one of the greatest knives that we've had come out and one of the best sellers over the last couple of months has been our Microtech MSI Desert Warrior exclusive right here. We're going to be doing a torture test. Actually, we've already done it. We're going to be putting out a torture test that we filmed on this knife right here, and putting it through its paces and really testing its durability. We took our Willet cut test and kind of modified it to use on folders. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say this is not a test that we would normally do on folders, but we felt like this one could hold up to it, and it absolutely surpassed our expectations. So that's a great example of a sheep's foot blade. You can also find it on traditional or slip joint folders, just like this one right here. This is one that has been one of my favorites recently, and that is going to be that Lionsteel Barlow M390 on the blade steel. Nice swedging up top here. Beautiful construction with titanium as well as ram's horn on the handle. We've also got it in micarta and wood handled versions as well, but absolutely beautiful knife coming in at $158. That is a phenomenal deal for a really nice hard work knife right there that also has some class and beauty to it as well. Now, next up, number 2 on the list, and this should be no surprise, is going to be a drop point. And there is no more iconic drop point knife than the Benchmade Bugout, or mini Bugout as it were. This one's the mini Bugout right here. All blacked out version, S30V on the blade steel, black FRN handles right there. Now, the Benchmade Bugout made a splash on the scene many, many years ago, and its intention was to be a Bugout bag knife, something ultralight, but something that would come through in a pinch. It has turned into one of the most iconic EDC knives, simply because of how thin, how lightweight, and how easy it is to carry. So that has been an insanely popular drop point blade right there. And it's no wonder, because like I said, it's so thin, it's so lightweight, so easy to carry, and just really well designed. And there's so many different aftermarket options to dress it up and customize it just the way you want. Now, we also wanted to feature a fixed blade, and this is something that we haven't done a video on in quite a while, but this is a really, really great heavy-duty fixed blade knife right here. That is going to be the Drop Forge Hunter from Cold Steel. So this one's coming in 8 5/8 inches overall, 4 inches on the blade length. Obviously a full tang fixed blade, because that's all you get right there is just tang. It's just a bunch of tang. And we're talking 52-100 high carbon steel on that one, 7.1 ounces with a 5mm thickness on that thing. That is super thick and super heavy duty, and coming with that Secure X sheath right there. Just absolutely wonderful knife, and I really, really like this thing. That's a great example of a drop point fixed blade knife right there. Last but certainly not least, and number 1 on the list, is going to be a clip point. And we've seen a lot of modern folders coming with clip points lately. And there's a good reason for that. There's a lot of people out there that still love clip point blades, myself included. I think they're beautiful. I think they're gorgeous. You can find knives like this one here. This is the Pilar IV, Jesper Voxnay's design, made by CRKT right there. It is a frame lock G10 on the front side. This one's coming in, I think it'll around 58 bucks. Just a wonderful, wonderful knife. Really sexy, clean lines right there. And you can find knives even from the likes of Honey Badger. A ton of modern folders are coming with clip point blades now. But let's not kid ourselves. The main reason why the clip point blade is our top selling blade shape here at SMKW, and people say all the time, there's no way people are buying that many traditional folders. There's no way people are buying that many case knives.
You serious?
I don't know what to tell you. The main reason the clip point is #1 on our list is because of how many case knives, and especially, specifically, how many case trappers are sold. Like this one right here. Now this one's going to be the carbon steel version. This has got the smooth white bone handles, the American flag oval shield right there. And this is going to be a traditional trapper pattern coming with that clip point blade. It also has the spay blade, but Case has so many knives with the iconic clip point blade on them, including ones like the Stockman, the sow belly Stockman, the mini copper lock. I mean, just the Peanut, which is one of the most collected knives that Case makes. So a ton of Case knives come with that iconic clip point blade, and that is one of the main reasons why it is our top selling blade shape. Let us know in the comments down below what you thought. What is your favorite blade shape and why? And let us know what you thought about our top 3. Do you believe it? You're going to tell me whether you do or not. But that is what I can tell you as far as sales goes. Sheep's foot, drop point, clip point. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Folks, as always, it's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, SMKW.com. And remember, if it cuts, like our top 3 selling blade shapes, then we carry it. It's just the way it is. You got to roll with the punches. That's just the way it is.